Scene script. Have you ever pondered how one man could significantly influence the course of technology in our world? Enter Elon Musk, a name synonymous with some of the most groundbreaking technological advancements of the 21st century. Born to a Canadian mother and a South African father in Pretoria, South Africa, Musk's early life was not without its trials. However, it was during these formative years that his curiosity and interest in technology began to sprout. As a child, Musk was often found with a book in hand, his mind engrossed in the realms of science fiction and fantasy. But it wasn't just the allure of other worlds that piqued his interest. He was equally fascinated by the mechanics of our own world, the intricate interplay of systems and technology that make our modern life possible. His entrepreneurial spirit took flight in his teen years, when he and his brother Kimball started their first venture, a video game they coded themselves. This early endeavor was a testament to Musk's tenacity and his undying fascination with technology. In the mid-90s, Musk co-founded Zip2 Corporation, a city guide software company, which was later sold for nearly $300 million. This was Musk's first major success in the tech industry, but it was by no means his last. Next came PayPal, the online payment system that revolutionized digital commerce. Musk's vision and leadership were instrumental in propelling PayPal to the forefront of the industry. And when it was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion in 2002, Musk had firmly established himself as a force to be reckoned with in the world of technology. But these early ventures were just the beginning. They laid the foundation for Musk's future endeavors, ventures that would not only challenge the status quo, but also redefine our understanding of what's possible. Elon Musk's journey was just beginning, and his influence on technology was about to take a giant leap. What if you knew that SpaceX, a private company, could disrupt the space industry? Imagine a world where commercial space travel is as common as catching a flight to another city. It sounds like science fiction, but this is precisely the world that Elon Musk has been working towards with SpaceX. Founded in the early years of the 21st century, SpaceX had a mission that seemed almost impossible: to make space travel more affordable and accessible. The idea was audacious, and many skeptics dismissed it as a billionaire's fantasy. But Musk was undeterred. He knew that the key to achieving this goal lay in one critical factor: the reusability of rockets. Traditionally, rockets were single-use machines. After delivering their payload into space, these multi-million-dollar behemoths would either burn up in the Earth's atmosphere or crash into the ocean, never to be used again. This method was not only wasteful, but also exorbitantly expensive. Musk's vision was different. He wanted to build rockets that could return to Earth, land vertically, and be ready to fly again with minimal refurbishment. This approach would drastically reduce the cost of space travel, making it more accessible to a broader audience. Over the years, SpaceX has turned this vision into reality. Through a series of trials and errors, successes and failures, SpaceX has managed to land multiple rockets back on Earth after delivering their cargoes to space. These rockets have flown again, proving the concept of reusability. Moreover, the company has successfully launched numerous satellites, resupplied the International Space Station multiple times, and even sent astronauts into space, a feat once only achievable by government agencies. The impact of these achievements cannot be overstated. SpaceX has proven that a private company can not only compete in the space industry, but also lead it, driving innovation and advancement at a pace that traditional organizations struggle to match. With SpaceX, Musk proved that the sky was not the limit, but just the beginning. This is the SpaceX Odyssey, a journey that is reshaping our relationship with space and possibly paving the way for a future where interplanetary travel is within the reach of us all. Could you imagine a world where electric cars are not just a novelty, but the norm? This isn't just a far-fetched dream, but a reality that Tesla Motors has been tirelessly working towards since its inception. Tesla Motors, founded in the early 2000s by a group of Silicon Valley engineers, wasn't just another car company, it was a game changer. The founding team, which included the indomitable Elon Musk, had one mission in mind: to prove that electric cars could be better, quicker, and more fun to drive than gasoline cars. And boy, did they deliver. The journey, however, was anything but smooth. Tesla faced a multitude of challenges, from financial troubles to skepticism from industry giants. There were times when bankruptcy was looming and the electric dream seemed more like a nightmare. Yet, through resilience and innovation, Tesla weathered the storm. Tesla's Roadster, released in 2008, shattered the prevailing stereotypes of electric vehicles. It wasn't just an eco-friendly car, it was a high-performance machine that could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds. This was a turning point, a clear statement that electric cars were not just viable, but desirable. But Tesla didn't stop there. They introduced the Model S, a luxury sedan that further pushed the envelope of what an electric car could be. It was followed by the Model 3, a more affordable electric vehicle for the masses, making the electric dream more accessible. Tesla's contribution to the auto industry extends beyond just electric vehicles. The company has been a pioneer in autonomous driving technology, developing sophisticated autopilot systems and pushing the boundaries of what's possible on the road. Tesla's impact is far-reaching. It has forced other automakers to take electric vehicles seriously, ushering in a new era of sustainable transport. It has redefined the concept of driving and made us rethink our relationship with cars. Tesla not only changed the automotive industry, but also set the pace for a sustainable future. This is the Tesla revolution, and it's just the beginning. What if you could control technology with just your thoughts? Imagine a world where the lines between human cognition and artificial intelligence blur. That's the world Elon Musk envisions with Neuralink, his ambitious neuroscience startup. Neuralink is not just a chip in your brain or a fancy gadget. It's an audacious endeavor to bridge the gap between humans and artificial intelligence. The concept is as intriguing as it is daring. It's about implanting tiny threads into the human brain, connecting it to a computer and enabling human thoughts to interact with technology directly. The goal? Well, it's beyond what most of us could comprehend. It's about enhancing human cognition, augmenting our memory, our learning capabilities, even our sensory perceptions. It's about enabling humans to keep pace with AI, to become smarter, faster, more efficient. But Neuralink is not just about cognitive enhancement. It's also about addressing serious brain disorders. From depression and anxiety to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, Neuralink could potentially revolutionize how we treat neurological conditions, offering hope to millions around the world. Of course, such a venture is not without its challenges. Ethical implications, technical hurdles, regulatory barriers, these are all significant obstacles that Neuralink must overcome. But if there's one thing we know about Elon Musk, it's that he's not one to shy away from a challenge. Musk's vision for Neuralink is not just about creating a product, it's about setting off a paradigm shift, a revolution in how we interact with technology. It's about redefining what it means to be human in an era of rapid technological advancement. And if Musk succeeds, well, we could be looking at a future where our thoughts can control our devices, where we can download skills directly into our brains, where we can communicate telepathically. It's a future that sounds like science fiction, but with Neuralink, it could very well become a reality. With Neuralink, Musk is redefining the boundaries between humans and technology. It's a bold ambition, one that could reshape our world in ways we can barely imagine. But then again, that's what Elon Musk does best, isn't it? So, how has Musk's influence shaped the technology landscape as we know it? Well, let's take a step back to review. Elon Musk, a name that has become synonymous with innovation and audacity, has undeniably left an indelible mark on the technology world. Through his ventures like SpaceX, Tesla, and Neuralink, Musk has not only disrupted industries but also altered our perception of what is possible. In the realm of space exploration, Musk's SpaceX has breathed new life into a field that was once considered the exclusive domain of nations. He envisioned a future where interplanetary travel is commonplace and took steps to make that dream a reality. SpaceX has achieved feats that were once thought to be the stuff of science fiction, from landing reusable rockets to launching a car into space. On the ground, Musk's Tesla has revolutionized the automobile industry, proving that electric vehicles can be both practical and desirable. Tesla has challenged the status quo and set a new standard for what a car can be, sparking a global shift towards sustainable transportation. In the field of neuroscience, Musk's Neuralink is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The company's ambitious goal to merge the human brain with artificial intelligence could transform the way we interact with technology, and potentially, how we understand the human mind itself. Musk's vision for the future is not confined by the limitations of the present. His disruptive innovations have challenged existing norms and opened up a world of possibilities. He has shown us that technology is not merely a tool, but a pathway to an extraordinary future. As we move forward, it's clear that Musk's influence will continue to shape the technology landscape. His audacious dreams and relentless pursuit of innovation have set in motion a new era of technological advancement. Elon Musk, a man who dares to dream big, continues to redefine our world with his influence on technology. One thing is certain, the future of technology will be anything but ordinary.